In these problems, we are looking at some of the properties of logarithms. And here are three properties that apply. We have the logarithm of a product. And what this says, if you have the log of two things multiplied by each other, that's the same as the log of that first thing plus the log of that second thing. So basically, addition equates to multiplication when we're talking about logarithms. Maybe not surprisingly, then, this similar kind of relationship holds between things that are subtracted. That equates to division. So if you have the log of something divided by something else, that's the same as the log of that thing minus the log of the other thing. And powers work like this. If you have the log of a thing to a power, that exponent can come right off the top and be multiplied by the front of that log. So p times log base a of m is the same as log base a of m to the p power. And you can reverse this too. You can take that p and raise the m to that power. So those are the properties we're looking at. Let's see how they apply in these problems. The first one, we have an addition problem. So we can rewrite this, instead of addition as we have here, we can rewrite this as a product. So the log base 9 of 7 plus the log base 9 of 10 is the log base 9 of 7 times 10, or log base 9 of 70. So we've simplified that expression a little bit. The bases have to be the same for this to work. You've got to have the same bases for these things. Let's look at this next one. We have the log base 4 of something we've got to fill in here, minus the log base 4 of 11, equals the log base 4 of 5 over 11. Well, this is a quotient, 5 divided by 11. So if I've got 11 here in this subtraction problem, I have to have 5 here. So that's this rule we just used. Log base 4 of 5 minus log base 4 of 11 is the log base 4 of 5 divided by 11. And here we've got negative 2 log base 9 of 3. Negative 2 times the log base 9 of 3 equals the log base 9 of what? Well, there's no number out front here. So what we need to do is use the power rule here and take this negative 2 and raise that 3 to the negative 2 power. And of course, 3 to the negative 2 is 1 over 3 squared, so that's 1/9. So negative 2 times the log base 9 of 3 is log base 9 of 1/9. So that is a little bit of work with some of the basic properties of logarithms.